Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are fine. Students, we were discussing about the first aid, and in my last videos, I told you about the first aid we can give in case of wounds, nosebleed, sprain, and fracture. Today, we will discuss about the first aid we can give in case of burns and animal bite. So, let's start with burns. You all know about the burns? Burn is an injury caused by exposure to heat and flame. Okay, and this burn can be very simple and this can be very dangerous also. Burn is of three types, and the first aid given is also different in all the cases. So let's start with our first one, simple burns. When we touch any hot object, sometimes only redness is there. That is the simple burn that you can see in this picture. You can see here only redness is there. So this is a kind of simple burn. So now I'll tell you what can we do in case of simple burn. When we touch any hot object, that is a simple burn. And what should we do in this case? Immediately wash the burnt area under cold running water till the pain becomes less. Till the pain becomes less. Then apply an antiseptic lotion. Apply an antiseptic lotion. Okay, this is the first aid that we can give in case of simple burns. Now we will talk about severe burns. In case of severe burns, blisters are there, as you can see in the picture. This is the blister. In case of severe burns, blisters are there. So, severe burns can cause blisters. Never touch or prick a blister, because if you will prick the blister, then it will become an open wound and infection can be there, as it will then become an open wound and will catch infection. So what should we do in this case? Gently cover the blister with a clean piece of cloth. And this severe burn, this should be treated by a doctor. Okay, now we will talk about the third type of burns, that is chemical burns. If any chemical accidentally fall on us, that can cause chemical burns, like acid. Sometimes acid fall on our part of the body, like hand, leg, that can cause chemical burns. As you can see in the picture, this is chemical burn that is caused by the acid. So what should we do in this case? Chemical burns caused due to chemicals like acids. Chemical burn should always be treated by a doctor. Should be treated by a doctor. But before the doctor arrives, wash the affected area with plenty of water. And then lightly cover with a piece of clean cloth. Okay, clear to all of you? As you can see here, there are three types of burns: simple burns, severe burns, and chemical burns. And the first aid given in all the three cases is different. Okay, but one important thing that we should keep in our mind in all the cases, that never use ice on burns, as it restricts, means stops the blood flow and further damages the tissues. Always cool the burn in cold water. Okay, this was all about the burns and the first aid that we can give in case of burns. Now we will discuss about the animal bite. Dogs, cats, monkeys, and many other stray animals may carry rabies virus. Okay, so if first aid is not given in case of animal bite, then the virus will enter our body and that may cause some serious diseases. Okay, so what first aid is given in case of animal bite? In case of animal bite, immediately wash the affected area. With soap and water, as it prevents the germs from getting into our body. Then we should apply an antiseptic lotion and cover with a bandage. This is only the first aid, and for further treatment, take the victim to a doctor. Take the victim to a doctor. This is the first aid that we can give in case of animal bite. If the animals are dogs, cat, monkeys and other stray animals. But if there is a snake bite, then the first aid given is different. Okay, so let's discuss about the snake bite. As you all know that not all the snakes are poisonous. Not all the snakes are poisonous. Okay, but however, we need to be, or one needs to be careful, because a bite from a poisonous snake can be dangerous. Okay, and if first aid is not given on time, then the victim can even lose his life. If timely treatment is not given, the victim can even lose his life. Okay, so we should follow some guidelines in case of snake bite, and the guidelines are as follows. First of all, keep the person calm and still. Still means there should be no movement, because movement can cause the venom. Venom means poison of snake. Can cause the venom to spread quickly to other parts of the body. And the position of the person should be like, position the person so that bite area is below the heart level, because once the venom is spread to the heart, then the condition can become more dangerous. So position the person so that the bite area is below the heart level. And the last step in the first aid, cover the wound with a clean and dry dressing. Okay, so students, this was all about the first aid that we can give in different cases like wounds, nosebleeds, sprain, fracture, and your burns and animal bites. Hope you all will use these first aid rules in your daily life. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.